how to create a BT Sport account. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will simply guide you on how you can actually make a BT Sport account. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to actually create a BT Sport account, just go to bt.com/sport. I will also make sure to drop a direct link down below. Once you go to the specific link, you will land on this web page where you have to just tap the My BT option from the top right hand side of the screen. Once you click the My BT option from the top right, by default, if you already have a BT Sport account, it will ask you to simply enter the ID and a password to log in. But in case you don't have it, you'll find this little button that says don't have a BT ID and create one. So all you need to do is just click the create one button over here. Once you select the option called create one, on the next specific page, it will ask you to simply create a BT ID. So all you have to do is you can say I want to be the account holder or I want to be the account manager. Depending upon whatever you want, I will just select I want to be the account holder here. Then right over here, you need to enter your BT account number. Now in case you don't have a BT account number, just select don't have a BT account number here. It'll ask you for some other details such as your BT phone number and the postcode of your country. So once you go ahead and simply enter the postcode of your country and a phone number, click on the continue button. You can reset your account number, then you can come back and create your BT email address and your account in that way. This is simply how you can create a BT account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.